Hi ma'am, sir, good morning. My name is Giselle. I am 40 years old from Philippines. I am married. I have one daughter, 15 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My experience are child care, baby care. I work as domestic helper in Hong Kong for 5 years and 4 months with 3 employers. Currently, I serve 2 couple and 2 children, 18 years old boy, 12 years old girl. My duties are taking care of the children, cooking Chinese food, doing all housework like cleaning, laundry, iron, and marketing. I am willing also to take care of it. To my future employer, ma'am and sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, fast learning, and more patient. I promise to be a good housemaid and promise to prioritize my job and finish my contract or more. Thank you, ma'am and sir, and looking forward to work with you.